3 unbelievable signs that your manifestation is coming your way. Like, who knows, it's right around the corner or it's going to show up tomorrow. Like, this is getting exciting. Hi everyone, it's Kaisa here. Welcome back to my channel. I am an entrepreneur, musician, and law of attraction coach. So the first sign that your manifestation is coming your way is that you are seeing it everywhere. Like maybe it's not your exact manifestation, like your specific person or the money or the job or your house or car, but you are seeing similar things to everywhere. Like let's say you are trying to manifest a relationship, a happy relationship, and you go out and you see those happy couples everywhere. Or maybe you're trying to manifest a car, a red car of some brand, and you just keep seeing those cars everywhere. So as the law of attraction says, whatever you focus on expands. This is also scientifically proven, like your brain has this focus mechanism called reticular activating system, RAS, which is responsible for bringing all the necessary and important stuff into your awareness. Let me tell you an example. Let's say you are outside and there are a lot of people all around you and they are talking and there is a lot of noise, but you cannot really hear what they're talking about. But if somebody calls your name all of a sudden, like you are going to hear it. Like your attention is going to be drawn to it. And this happens because our brains are constantly analyzing so much information. Like every single second there is information coming from our senses. And if all of that information would be brought into our consciousness, like we could not deal with that. Our minds would explode. Like there is no way we could focus on everything. So that's why RAS is doing its job unconsciously. Like we don't need to worry about it, it's automatic. It's going through the information, whatever is important, whatever is relevant, it's going to bring that into our consciousness. So if you are subconsciously focused on something, let's say that happy relationship or a red car, your brain is constantly looking for similar things in your reality to match with your thoughts and feelings. It's actually a very good sign that your manifestation is right around the corner if you keep seeing all these kind of things, because it means that the desire is already in your subconscious mind. Because when you're trying to manifest something, you need to brainwash yourself, like you need to believe in it. Your subconscious mind has to be aligned with the desire, and that way it will come to you. The second sign that your manifestation is coming is random requests and opportunities. Like, do you know that feeling when some relative or somebody, a friend, just calls you out of the blue and asks you to visit them or asks you to go to a place? Like it's so random, like you were not expecting it. Now, let's say, for example, it's your friend who you haven't talked to for months or years and they call you and ask you to go to a cafe with them. Just imagine what all could happen there. Who knows, you're going to meet the love of your life while you're walking to that cafe. Or maybe you're going to meet a business partner or some other opportunities just going to open right in front of your eyes. When you are manifesting something, you don't need to know how it is going to happen. You just need to trust in it, and you just need to know that it is going to happen or it has already happened. This way you'll be able to detach from the outcome. Like you don't need to know it, you just trust in it. Like you set your intentions and you let it go. You don't think about it anymore. And you flow with everything that comes your way. You flow with the challenges, you flow with the opportunities, and before you notice, you are included in something very exciting. And most of the times when we look back in our lives, the most exciting things that have happened to us, they happened when we were not expecting them to happen at all. They just happened. So if you are receiving any kind of random opportunities or requests, I think you should take them and see where it's going to lead, and just flow with whatever comes with it. The third sign that your manifestation is coming your way is unexplainable feelings. These are feelings you just don't know why you're feeling them, but you're feeling them anyway, and they feel so real. These feelings are not triggered by the mind. Let's say, for example, if you are somebody who overthinks and you're just worrying about something, you're thinking, what if this is going to happen? What if this goes wrong? Like, oh my God, what if, all those what ifs. And then you just get so anxious. Like those thoughts generate so bad feeling in you. You know what I'm talking about? It's horrible, like you start resonating with your overthinkings and you start feeling like as if they are happening right now. So these unexplainable feelings are not like that because they are not triggered by the mind. They are not triggered by the thoughts. They just come to you from somewhere, like you don't even know why you're feeling that way. You just are. And the way the universe communicates with us is through feelings, through emotions. Like there is not a voice that would be telling us what to do or what's going to happen. There is no phone number we could call and ask for things that we want to see in our reality. So the way universe is communicating with us is through emotions. And because everything is energy and energy is everything. Your thoughts, your feelings, your imaginations, your phone, like everything around you is energy. And the universe communicates with us through emotions. When you look at it, emotions, energy, emotion. So if you are feeling an unexplainable sense of calmness, peace, love within yourself, trust, knowing, anything like this, that's a very good sign that your manifestation is right around the corner, like it's coming to you. Let me know in the comments, have you been seeing any of these signs recently? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to watch more content like this, subscribe to my channel because I am making 3 videos every week to help you start living your dream life right now. With that being said, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.